Governor of Manipur, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, graced an event organized by the Loktak Development Authority LDA at Sendra Lake Front, Loktak Lake in Bisnupur district on the occasion of World Wetlands Day. The event was observed under the theme Protecting Wetlands for Our Common Future. Minister for Public Works Department PWD and Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Konthojam Govindas, Kumbi MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra and other senior officials were present at the event. As part of the program, the governor released Loktak Water Bird Census Report 2025 and a booklet titled The Water Birds of Loktak Lake. In his address, Governor Bhalla highlighted the critical role of wetlands in supporting diverse flora and fauna, sustaining local livelihoods, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. He particularly emphasized the cultural and historical significance of Loktak Lake for the people of Manipur. The governor also underscored that the protection of wetlands has become a pressing need and stressed that community participation is vital for the effective conservation of these valuable ecosystems.
Many wetlands have disappeared over a period of time in these states because population has increased, construction have happened. So Loktak today you are seeing still as a lake. I'll come back to the next generation. But in many places in Assam and all, many wetlands started disappearing. And these are lungs of these are kidneys of the land for all of us. We all know it very well. We have 89 sites in India which are Ramsar approved sites. Loktak is of course the most important one. Please remember, if the sustainability, if the conservation is not done, your children may not be able to see this lake. It can disappear. It gradually over a period of 50 years, 100 years, if we don't take care of this. You simply need to take care. Government will make efforts. But as citizens, I think we have a role to play. Citizens need to contribute in not spoiling it, encroachment, putting waste there.